Hey everybody, it's Lori Nerona at Veriditas, and today I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to take your photos for your virtual consultations. So first of all, you want to make sure your hair is out of the way, not in the picture, so please no hats or adornments so that we can see your face. And then you want to make sure you've got really good lighting. So if you have a ring light, go ahead and use that. But I know most people don't, so the best thing you can do is actually stand right in front of an open window in the daytime. So you want the sunlight to be coming onto your face, and then you've got your camera in between you and the sunlight so that your whole face is illuminated, and we're trying to eliminate as many shadows as possible. The next thing you want to do is get up close and personal with the camera. Yeah, so we want to actually have your whole face, like in the entire frame should be your face. We're not really interested in anything in the background. We want to see you, we want to see your skin. So we want to be able to do it in such a way that when we click on the pictures, we can enlarge it so we can see what's going on in your pores and really get a really good up close and personal look at what's going on there. Now, the portal will allow you to upload 5 photos, and this is what we really need. So first you want a full face shot, right? Remember, get nice and close. So a full face shot, then you want to just stay in the same place, look to the right, take a picture, look to the left, take a picture, look straight on, lift your chin a little bit, because we really want to see what's going on underneath here. This is a common area for people to have problems. And if you can, do this and get up and close, because sometimes we can see what's going on in terms of clogging on the chin, right? And then if you can manage this one, do this one too. So just get a little closer. We'd like to have a picture of your forehead up and close. And that's pretty much it. Just check your pictures before you send them and make sure that they're not blurry, so that, if we pinch them or unpinch them, we can see really what's going on. That will help us immensely at determining what's really going on with your skin and the next best steps to get your skin clear. So that's it. Head on over to the portal now. Thanks.